Hello there, and welcome to an episode of Theory in 3 Minutes. Have you ever wondered how search engines rank the results when you search for something? Or how Google Maps decides which route is the fastest when you enter a location in the map? All these are based on a fundamental computer science theory called algorithms. Now, fun fact, the word algorithm comes from the name Al-Khwarizmi, who was a polymath credited as the founder of algebra. You can read about him. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for completing a task. Anani Levitin defines an algorithm as a sequence of unambiguous instructions for solving a task. When a legitimate input is provided, it produces a required output in a finite amount of time. We use algorithms every day in our life. Preparing your favorite meal following a recipe is an algorithm. If you buy a piece of furniture and it comes with an assembly plan, that assembly plan is an algorithm for you. Let's look at a simple practical example. Let's say we want to find the area of a triangle. We all know the mathematical formula, half times base times height. So we want to write a program where when the user enters the base and the height, we give them the area of the triangle. Let's dive into the code. I've written down here the algorithm for finding the area of a triangle. Our input is the base and the height. The process is that we'll multiply the base by the height and divide the result by 2, and then we will return the result of the computation to the user. I have some boilerplate code here to create a simple console application in Node.js. Now on my left hand side, I've implemented this in C#, and on my right hand side, I've implemented this in Python, and we are going to implement this in JavaScript. So in JavaScript, to create a function, we use the function keyword and the name of the function, area of triangle. Our input is the base and the height. Let's create a variable called area and do our base times the height divided by 2, and we'll return area. We'll save this and run. So let's say the base is 5 and the height is 6. Our result is 15 square units. Now, if we have implemented the algorithm correctly, then we should have the same results in all our applications. So let's use the same base here, 5, and height 6. We have 15 as well, and the same base here, 5, and the height 6, and we have 15 as well. There are several types of algorithms, but I'll mention just a few. We have sorting algorithms, which order data for you, like the quick sort and the merge sorts. We have searching algorithms, which look for a piece of data or which look for some specific data among a set or a list, like the binary search. We have graph algorithms, which are used for finding paths, and a very popular one is Dijkstra's algorithm. So the next time you hear the word algorithm, do not be shocked, do not be surprised, do not be confused. The algorithm is just a step-by-step procedure for completing the task. Now remember, when you are coding, don't imitate, understand.